Good morning and welcome back to the TerryTracker channel and welcome back to the vlog. Just giving you a quick update on things that are going on at the moment. I'm just going to dust your face. That's better. So I have literally just this second booked a trip to Thailand as the clock chimes in the background. Anywho, ignore the clock. So yeah, we are going to Thailand on the 5th of April next year for 16 days. So there's going to be lots of content coming from that. Bangkok, Pattaya and anywhere else that we may find ourselves getting to. So all good. Plus there's going to be flights with Emirates. A flight from Newcastle to Dubai and from Dubai to Bangkok and then from Bangkok to Dubai and then from Dubai back to Newcastle. So it's going to be all good. Also, we are trying to get a reservation for next week. It's really a bit hard with the shop to fit it around days off. But we are trying to get to either Thorpe Park or Alton Towers next week for one of the Halloween events. So yeah, fingers crossed on that front. The van, it's going well, the camper van conversion. Emma's actually doing a little bit of work on it today. And then we need to fit the rock and roller seat to the floor. But anywho, like I say, just thought I'd give you a quick update on what's going on. And I shall pick you up very shortly. Well, as you can see, I am in Le Peuple Shed. I haven't had anything really interesting to talk to you about today. Apart from, obviously, we've booked Thailand. So we're going to Thailand in April, 165 days' time. Other than that, there's not really much else. I have been trying all day to book Thorpe Park Fright Nights and Alton Towers Scarefest, the Halloween events, but the booking system, it's been a bit weird and it's not letting me do what I need to do to book the tickets. So I'm going to have to phone up both Thorpe Park and Alton Towers tomorrow to see if I can do something with that. So on Sunday night, hopefully we're driving down to London. Monday going to Thorpe Park and going to the Fright Nights. Then driving up towards Alton Towers after the Fright Nights. So it'll be quite late on. Staying in another hotel and then going to Alton Towers for the Scarefest. That is the plans. Not sure exactly how it's going to pan out because, like I say, the booking system is not allowing me to book what I need to book. So I don't know if that means they're sold out or, yeah, I don't know. But I will find out tomorrow, and when I find out, I will tell you. Ooh, a change of position. Other than that, yeah, there's not a lot else happened today apart from me working in the shop. Yeah. I think it's time for one of these bad boys. So, yeah. Let's have a shot of Tennessee Fire Jack Daniels. Ah, ooh, that came out my nose. Oh. So yeah, hopefully I'll get that sorted tomorrow and I will give you an update. As far as the van's done, the minibus, le bus. Tomorrow, if I get a chance, I'm going to try and fix the rock and roller bed to the floor because at the minute it's just placed into where it's supposed to go. So I'm going to try and place that in properly and fit it in properly so I can then move on to the kitchen unit because the kitchen unit has to be going after the rock and roller. So everything, I'm working my way back towards the van because, as you know, the furniture that I bought doesn't fit the van. And yeah, I'm going to have to cut the bench at the back. So that'll be the last thing I cut. So yeah, start a one way and work my way back to the back doors. So yes, that's it. I'm afraid not a great deal to vlog about today apart from we're going to Thailand. Whoop whoop, chicken soup. So we're going to go to Bangkok, we're going to go to Pattaya, and I'm not sure where else we're going to. I would like to try and go across to Hong Kong whilst we're there and go to Hong Kong Disney. Depends on the money situation because that is quite expensive. So yeah, that's something I'm going to look at in the future. It's a possibility, it's a maybe, it's a probably not, but hopefully so. So on that note, I shall see you all tomorrow. sorry for a not a very interesting vlog. Now it's time to do your job. The magic hand.